Okay. So today is going to be a pretty quick video. Client just came in and wants to change the Gamma Plus Evo trimmer blade. So a lot of people just don't want to do it, or don't want to mess with opening up the machine. So they bring it in to have it done, and it's really not too complicated. But a lot of people don't know how to do it. So I'll do a quick video to show you how to swap out the Evo trimmer blades. Okay, so these are different cases you can also switch out if you want gold. These are just, empty cases. And she has, I think stock it comes with the silver, so this is going to be a rose gold that she had changed at some point. And the blade she has on here is the metal blade, so she's going to switch to the ceramic. I haven't heard any feedback on whether the ceramic is better or the metal is better, but probably a lot of just preference. I'm not really sure what the cutting difference is. And that's the ceramic blade. And again, they come with cool screwdrivers that come with the box itself, and they're magnetic, so these are pretty neat. I'll use this instead of my own. And it looks to have been used before, so she had this swapped out at some point. And they have another blade in here too. I wonder what she said she wanted the ceramic, so we'll use that. So I guess what we do is we're not even going to swap out the whole trimmer blade. We're just going to swap out the bottom piece. All right. And again, have to keep pressure here because it is spring loaded. Probably just blow that out. Blow that out for her with some air. Get that all nice and clean. And so we'll just swap out that piece. Should just slide out. And we'll probably want to clean both of these before putting them back together. Some compressed air. There's that piece. And that piece. I did another video that shows how to put these together. Oh, I missed a little bit of hair there. And it has these little clips down here that keep pressure on the blade. Kind of keeps it in place. So when you put them together, just go in from the back and kind of press down. And that'll seat it. That's all there is to it, really. Pop it back in. These two little metal prongs right here just sit in these two gaps. And this piece right here, this channel, sits right on top of the motor. Hopefully that's a pretty clear shot. It's not hard to do at all. And then you just press it back in and screw the screws back in. Once one screw is in, that's pretty much, you know, it has it in place. If you're doing clippers, you kind of have to make sure it's aligning upright, but with these trimmers, you don't really need to do any kind of aligning because the blades are already fitted together really nicely. I mean, I guess you can call that a zero gap, but you don't really have to worry about how these sit in here. It kind of pulls itself together and lines itself up. You don't want to tighten them too hard, but definitely snug. Alright. That's all. You definitely want to throw some oil on there too. It comes with its own oil here. The Gammas all come with their own oil, so we should probably use theirs. I think any oil is probably okay if you have Andis oil or raw oil, olive oil, you know, vegetable oil. I'm just kidding. No, but definitely use blade oil. And the way to do it is to turn it on first. You turn it on and then apply the oil. Yeah.